Top 10 must-do side trips from Paris. Top 10 must-do side trips from Paris is quick, affordable, unforgettable. 1. Versailles Palace and Gardens, Château de Versailles, Versailles. See the Hall of Mirrors and wander vast formal gardens. Insider tip: book a timed entry ticket online to skip long lines. Get a passport ticket for access to the whole estate. Free resources: RATP plus SNCF Mobilité run regular trains, RERC or Transilien Mobilité for schedules and reduced fares. Shuttle/coupon: some private shuttle operators advertise round-trip Paris. Compare prices and reviews on Get Your Guide or Tickets. Opening times: Palace open Tuesday through Sunday 9 to 18:30. Last entry vary. Gardens are usually open daily 8 to 20:30. Seasonal changes. Nearby affordable eats: La Petite Venise inside grounds for casual meals. In the town center, try La Flottille for budget-friendly French fare. Nearby extra visit: try an estate in Marie Antoinette's hamlet, included with passport ticket. 2. Giverny, Monet's house and gardens, Giverny. Walk the water lily pond and see the artist's studio. Insider tip: visit early morning or late afternoon to avoid coach crowds. Mid-May to September is peak bloom. Free resources: SNCF trains from Gare Saint-Lazare to Vernon, local buses or short taxi from Vernon to Giverny. Shuttle/coupon: garden tickets often cheaper if booked in advance on Foundation. Monet site: look for combined train plus entry package. Opening times: usually open daily April-November. Hours vary by season. Check Foundation Monet website before visiting. Nearby affordable eats: Les Nymphias Bistro near the museum, local bakeries. In Vernon for picnic supplies. Nearby extra visit: Vernon Old Town and the Church of Notre Dame. 3. Fontainebleau, Château de Fontainebleau, Fontainebleau royal apartments and huge surrounding forest for easy hikes. Insider tip: combine chateau visit with rock climbing or a picnic in the forest. Free resources: Transilien trains from Paris Gare de Lyon to Fontainebleau-Evon. Shuttle/coupon: check regional tourism sites for discount combo off. Opening times: usually daily 9:30 to 17:30. Check official site changes, some closures possible on holiday. Affordable eats: Le Potager du Roi for seasonal dishes, many cafés near the chateau. Nearby extra visit: Barbizon Village, artists' colony with affordable galleries and cafés. 4. Chartres Cathedral, Chartres. Gothic masterpiece with stunning stained glass windows. Insider tip: nightlight show Chartres en Lumières runs April-October. Arrive after sunset for a magical view. Free resources: SNCF or TER trains from Paris Montparnasse to Chartres town is walkable from station/coupon. Some tour companies offer day trip shuttles. Compare price versus train. Opening times: Cathedral open daily, hours vary. Crypt and Treasury have separate hours. Check Cathedral. Nearby affordable eats: cafe near Place de Halles for sandwiches, local creperies. Nearby extra visit: Old Town and Maison Picassiette, Mosaic House. 5. Rouen, medieval city and Gros-Horloge, Rouen. Timber-framed streets, Cathedral, and Joan of Arc sites. In tip: walk the historic quarter early to photograph without crowds. Free resources: SNCF trains from Paris Saint-Lazare to Rouen arrive. Shuttle/coupon: local tourist office sometimes offers reduced museum passes. Opening times: major museums and cathedral typically open daily. Sites: Musée des Beaux-Arts often closed Mondays. Nearby affordable eats: local brasseries and creperies near the cathedral. Nearby extra visit: Seine Riverside walks and Panorama XXL. 6. Reims, champagne houses, Reims. Tour famous champagne cellars like Taitinger, Veuve Clicquot, and smaller houses. Insider tip: book cellar tours in advance. Many houses offer reduced tastings or cellar tour only tickets. Free resources: high-speed trains, TGV, from Paris Gare de l'Est to Reims, 35 to 50 minutes. Shuttle/coupon: look for Reims champagne tourist passes, transport and tasting deals. Opening times: cellar tour hours vary by house, many open daily, some close Sundays or Mondays. Check each Maison site. Nearby affordable eats, bistros around Place Druet d'Erlin for budget lunches. Nearby extra visit, Reims Cathedral and Musée des Beaux-Arts. Vaux-le-Vicomte, Maincy. Baroque chateau with intimate scale and spectacular gardens. Insider tip, evening candlelit nights in summer are unforgettable, book early. Free resources, Transilien trains toward Melun then local bus/taxi, check Chateau site for shuttle info during events. Shuttle/coupon, shuttle services sometimes run from Paris during special events, watch official opening times. Chateau and gardens open daily March, November, check official site for exact times. Affordable eats, cafe on site for light meals. Villages nearby have small bistros. Nearby extra visit, Melun or Fontainebleau if combining day trips. 8. Auvers-sur-Oise, Van Gogh and countryside. Auvers-sur-Oise, follow Van Gogh's last months, see landscapes he painted. Insider tip, walk or rent a bike to follow the Van Gogh trail around town. Free resources, Transilien trains from Paris Gare du Nord to Auvers-sur-Oise. /coupon, local tourist office sometimes offers maps and self-guided tour leaflets. Opening times, Musée Daubigny and Maison de Van Gogh have seasonal hours, check before going. Nearby affordable eats, small cafés and bakeries close to the church and station. Nearby extra visit, Château de Méry and town's artists' galleries. 9. Lille, northern French city with Flemish feel, Lille. Vibrant old town, excellent markets, and museums like Palais des Beaux-Arts. Insider tip, day trip by TGV, 115 hours, arrive early to explore Wasms. Market, 2. Free resources, TGV from Paris Gare du Nord, book in advance for lowest fares. Shuttle/coupon, Lille tourism passes can reduce museum entry price. Opening times, museums often closed Mondays, check specific sites. Palais des Beaux-Arts has varied hours. Nearby affordable eats, friteries, brasseries in View Lille, and markets for cheap eats. Extra visit, La Piscine Museum in Roubaix, accessible by local transit. 10. Château de Chantilly and Musée Condé, Chantilly, grand stables, art collection, and extensive parklands. Insider tip, combine with a horse show on select days. Picnic in the Grandes Écuries Gardens. Free resources, TER trains from Paris Gare du Nord to Chantilly, Gouvier. Station, short bus/taxi to shuttle/coupon. Check Chantilly tourism site for package deals and event shuttles. Times. Chateau and Musée Condé often open daily except Mondays, hours. Vary, confirm on official site. Nearby affordable eats, brasseries in Chantilly Center, paste famous Chantilly cream treats. Nearby extra visit, park in the Living Museum of the Horse. Insider resources and money-saving tips. Buy train tickets early, SNCF/TGV. For the best prices, use regional transit apps, SNCF, RATP, Île-de-France Mobilité, to plan and get real-time. Look for combined tickets, train plus attraction, from official sites or local tourist offices. Visit outside peak hours, early morning or late afternoon, to avoid crowds and sometimes get lower-priced experience. Pack a picnic from local boulangeries and markets to save on meals and enjoy scenic spots. Check local tourist office websites for free maps, self-guided trail leaflets, and occasional coupons. Consider Paris Visite cards only if you plan multiple regional trips. Compare costs carefully. Many museums offer free or reduced entry on the first Sunday of the month or for EU residents under certain ages, check each museum's policy. Disclaimer: these suggestions may change as businesses and services often update their hours, rules, and availability. We built our digital businesses, New Beginning Calm, which is why we can pursue our dreams. What is your dream? We'd like to see if we can help you achieve your goals. Visit www.newbeginning. Thanks, and God bless you.